Hi, my name is Bob Fontana, and I'm a professor of medicine at the University of Michigan. And on behalf of myself and Dr. David Thomas from Hopkins University, we'd like to invite you to a special symposium this year at the Liver meeting entitled COVID-19 and the Liver. We'll start the symposium out first with an overview of the hepatic manifestations of COVID-19 in the liver by Dr. Elizabeth Verna of Columbia University. Dr. Verna has herself been in the midst of the pandemic in the early days in New York and will share with us what the hepatic manifestations are and what their implications are for individual patients. After that, we have Dr. Mark Sulkowski from Hopkins who will give us an overview on the current approach to therapeutics in COVID-19. Mark will cover the use of remdesivir, dexamethasone, plasma, and other upcoming therapeutics that we all need to know about, as well as their hepatic safety profile. After that, we're very pleased to have gotten Dr. Anthony Fauci from the NIH, who will give us an overview on the safety and efficacy of vaccines as of mid-November. As you know, we are all looking forward to this important development to combat COVID-19, and I think you will find this to be a very informative presentation. After that, we'll have Dr. John Ward and Dr. Youngmi Lee from South Korea give us an overview on public health aspects of COVID-19 that perhaps we're not as familiar with. The two of them will review with us the routes of transmission of COVID-19, the efficacy of social distancing and face mask wearing, as well as what we should be telling our patients to do and not do in the midst of the pandemic. And then finally, the last speaker will be Dr. John Carruthers from the University of Michigan. He will give us an update on the very important impact of healthcare disparities, both in the manifestations, diagnosis, access to care, and treatment of COVID-19 in the United States. So I think this symposium will be of great value and interest to really anyone who wants to tune into the symposium to learn about the latest recommendations regarding the detection, diagnosis, epidemiology, and current best practices for the treatment of patients with COVID-19. So I think there's something for everyone in this particular program, and I look forward to you participating.